You know what really brings your AI videos to life? Lip sync. But here's the problem. Platforms like VO3, Sora, Grot AI, and many others can lip sync, but they won't let you upload your own audio. And the few free lip sync tools out there, oof, it's either the lips are dancing off the face, the video quality collapses, or the watermark is sitting right in the middle like it's paying rent. And if you try to crop it out, boom, all your details disappear. So today, I'm going to show you how to get clean, free lip sync for your AI content, folktales, animations, anything you want using your own voice or audio. Please watch from the beginning to the end so you don't come back saying, Emnet, it didn't work. If that sounds good to you, come on, let's dive in. Step 1. Preparing your video in CapCut. Before we jump into lip sync, here's the workflow I use. First, I import both my video and audio into CapCut. Then I rescale the video from 100 down to about 86 or 87. This creates a bit of black space around the video, and that's intentional because it gives me room to work during the lip sync process without affecting the main part of the visuals. Next, I cut out the parts I don't need and make sure the characters' reactions match the audio. Once everything feels right, I export the video and the audio separately. Now let's move to the lip sync platform. When you sign in, this is the interface you'll see. Click Create Project, give your project a name, then hit Advanced Options and upload your video. Quick note, you'll see live usage 0.00. That means nothing has been used yet. Every time you lip sync a video, the platform shows the exact cost for that project. Next, click Upload on the timeline to add your audio file. Then click the icon with the blue background at the end of the timeline. That's the button that starts the lip sync process. Look at the bottom of the timeline. You'll see the total cost for this project. In my case, it's about 66 cents. This amount is deducted from the free usage the platform gives new accounts to test out the lip sync feature. So as you work on more projects, you'll see the cost update here. Step 3. Reviewing the result. Now the video is ready. Let's play it.
Okay, tell me, are my lips dancing off my face? Or is the watermark sitting smack in the middle like it's paying rent? Comment and let me know.
Wow, this is beautiful. It even enhances the video quality. No glitches even during motion. The lip sync looks natural, and the watermark stays neatly in the extra space we added earlier, so it doesn't interfere with the main visuals. After this, I bring the video back into CapCut and trim the canvas to focus on the main content again. Everything stays clean, full size, and high quality. If you love how clean the lip sync looks, tell me in the comments.
Are my lips dancing off my face? Or is the watermark sitting smack in the middle like it's paying rent?
Step 4. How to access sync.so. To access the website, just open your browser and search for sync.so. Click Login. You can sign up using Google, GitHub, or an email address. For this tutorial, I'm using a demo email I created just for recording purposes, but you can sign up with any normal email you use. I'll paste the email, click Continue, and the platform sends a verification code. Let me open the inbox. Here's the code. I'll copy it, paste it back on sync.so, and it logs me straight in. Once you log in, you'll see your usage balance at the top. It usually starts at 0.00 because you haven't created anything yet. The platform gives new users free usage to test out the lip sync feature. And as you start creating projects, you'll see the cost for each one appear here. If you ever need more for bigger projects, you can upgrade anytime. It's honestly a solid platform for clean lip sync, and if you try it, you'll see why I recommend it. I hope you got value from this video and that it finally solved your lip sync issues. If it did, please like, share, and comment so it reaches others who need it. And make sure you stay connected for more tutorials. Until next time, keep shining, keep creating, and keep growing. Thanks for watching.